Hi guys, this is Clark Sexton just reaching out to you. You and I had a conversation over the last few years about looking into purchasing a home using a VA benefit, which once again, we thank you for your service. We didn't move forward and you didn't either buy a home with us or maybe you ended up moving forward with another company, and that's okay. But I wanted to reach out to you to give you some exciting news. We have available now for you what's called a VA renovation loan. So maybe you didn't buy a house at all because everything you looked at needed a kitchen or it needed a bathroom, and you didn't have the additional funds required in order to get it to the point that you wanted. Well, this changes that. Or maybe you actually bought a house already, but you didn't get that kitchen of your dreams. Well, once again, this changes everything. So here's what happens. We can actually do, once again, a VA loan using your benefit, and in addition to that has the renovation piece to it. So what that allows is for us to be able to appraise the home based on the post-remodeled condition. So even though you may not have equity right now, but you would have if you did those remodels, that's how everything is based. So we can roll in those expenses and those costs right into the loan terms. Fantastic opportunity for you. So if you have not purchased a home and you can't find anything you like, we can use this to actually buy the home, remodeling the kitchen after we close, rolling in all the expense. If you did buy a house and you want to make some tweaks and changes, contact me. We can do the same for you. So the information is below of how you can reach out to me. Love to hear from you, even if it's just to have a conversation to go over some details. I look forward to speaking to you soon.